Okay guys, so good to know Friday muna tayo ngayon since walang masyadong tao ngayon. One of the newest brands that we carry which is Ralph Lauren. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Ralph Lauren has several distinct lines. So merong double RL which is also double Ralph Lauren. But there's also the purple label Ralph Lauren. And meron din yung pinaka-common which is some people here is the Polo Ralph Lauren. So let's start with, Polo Ralph Lauren. It's the most common and most people are familiar with. Actually, before there were two brands, Polo Ralph Lauren and Polo Association. So, yung confusion ended this year, actually December of 2025, in-acquire na ni Ralph Lauren si Polo Association, so they're now technically the same brand. Pero before, the logo for Polo Association looks similar to Polo Ralph Lauren. Sila yung dalawa yung nakasakay dun sa horse. And sample, tapos yung Polo Ralph Lauren, yung isa lang yung nakasakay sa horse. So those are the differences in the logo but very similar. Now, to avoid confusion, they acquired the brand and now it's one and the same. Ngayon, Ralph Lauren has double RL, so it's the more premium line of clothes compared to the regular Polo Ralph Lauren collection. But if you want something more premium, nandyan yung purple Ralph Lauren. So yan yung mga mamahalin talaga guys. Diyan ako nakakita ng dress that's worth 400,000 pesos to 500 to 600,000 pesos. Isang dress na pambabae. It depends in terms of what your style is, but Ralph Lauren is definitely one of the up-and-coming brands even though it has been in the US for the longest time. Ralph Lauren is America guys ha. Yung Americana na style that people wear, the suit, yung Americana na kung tawagin, it originated from Ralph Lauren guys. If you look at the Olympics, most of the time it's sponsored by Ralph Lauren. And the reason for that is because Ralph Lauren has several lines that represents the American culture. So meron dyan yung Native American, yung Western yung dating, very cowboy yung dating, merong sporty yung dating. And if you look at the colors, usually inclined to be very similar to the US American flag which are dominant in terms of the blue, red, and white colors. So yun yung mga colors na very madalas na ginagamit ni Ralph Lauren. But now is the era of quarter zip. So if you're looking for quarter zip, sobrang dami yan sa Polo Ralph Lauren. But if you want a more high-end version, but still accessible, meron tayong double RL. But if you want something that's more expensive or yung pinakamahal, that's the Ralph Lauren Purple Label. So yun lang guys.